Hello,
Hello, teacher.
what's your name?
My name is Trong.
What do you like about your hometown?
I like my people in my hometown because they are very friendly, kind, exciting.
Nice. And what do you dislike about your neighborhood?
I don't like my neighbor because they are selfish, uh, bad, and dirty.
Are computers important to you?
Yes,
Why?
because I can learn a lot of new things in computer and study.
Yeah. Do you prefer eating out or cooking at home?
I cooking at home because it's so convenient and safe.
Very good. City or countryside?
City
Why?
because it's modern and had a lot of fun.
Yeah. Cool. Very good, Trung. Well done. Nice.